If you're thinking about using Propertyware for your real estate management needs, here are 12 things you should know before buying. Propertyware might be a solid choice, but there are features and limitations that could make it a better fit, or not, depending on your requirements. Stick around till the end, because we'll also suggest a better option you can try for free. First off, Propertyware offers a comprehensive suite of property management tools. It covers everything from managing tenants and leases to maintenance requests and financials, giving it a strong edge over simpler alternatives. But the complexity can be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out in property management. Next thing, Propertyware is cloud-based, which means you can access your data from anywhere. However, this also means you'll need a stable internet connection, and if your connection goes down, so does your access to critical information. So, while it's convenient, be prepared for occasional connectivity issues. The third thing is its scalability. Propertyware can handle properties of all sizes, from single-family homes to large multi-property portfolios. But if you're managing a smaller portfolio or just starting out, you might find the platform's features excessive or difficult to navigate without a steep learning curve. The fourth thing, Propertyware integrates with a range of third-party applications like QuickBooks and DocuSign. This is great for streamlining operations, but not all integrations work as smoothly as you'd hope. You may run into compatibility issues or need extra customization to get everything syncing perfectly. Next, let's talk about pricing. Propertyware is on the higher end compared to some competitors like Rentec Direct or Tenant Cloud. While it's packed with features, if you're a smaller operation, you might find the pricing structure a little tough to justify unless you're utilizing all the available tools. The sixth thing to keep in mind is their mobile app. It's designed for both landlords and tenants to stay connected, allowing tenants to make payments and submit maintenance requests. But the app isn't always the most user-friendly, and some features are less intuitive than you might expect for a platform of this caliber. The seventh thing is the support team. Propertyware does offer customer support, but it's been known to be slow at times, especially during peak hours. While they do provide tutorials and a knowledge base, you might find yourself waiting for help if you run into a problem during busy periods. The eighth thing to consider is reporting. Propertyware provides a variety of reporting tools, including financial statements and maintenance reports. But the system can be a bit rigid. If you're looking for highly customizable reports or deeper analytics, you might find this lacking compared to competitors like Appfolio or Buildium, which offer more flexible reporting options. Next up, Propertyware offers a useful online portal for tenants where they can pay rent and submit maintenance requests. This saves time for landlords, but it's not as advanced or as fully integrated as some other platforms. You may find features like payment tracking a bit more complicated than you expect. The 10th thing is marketing and leasing tools. Propertyware helps you list properties and manage applications, but it's not as polished as platforms like Apartments.com or Zillow, which have more robust advertising capabilities. You might end up needing additional marketing tools to fill vacancies more quickly. The 11th thing is its focus on residential properties. While it's a great tool for managing single-family homes and small multifamily properties, if you're managing commercial properties or mixed-use buildings, Propertyware might not be the best fit. Finally, Propertyware's dashboard is comprehensive, but it can be overwhelming for beginners. With so many features and options, it's easy to feel lost or spend more time searching for what you need rather than managing your properties efficiently. So, while Propertyware is a strong contender for property management software, it might not be the right fit for everyone. If you're looking for something more user-friendly with more flexible reporting options, we recommend checking out our preferred solution that you can try for free. It could be just what you need to take your property management to the next level.